Meanwhile, a construction company owned by the family of former Ilocos Sur Governor Chavit Singson has been identified as the contractor of an unfinished diversion road in the province. According to DPWH records, the project was awarded to Satrap Construction back in 2017, and it's been allotted 577 million pesos.
That diversion road has no funds, so they stopped the construction. Last year, they only gave 100 million plus. Now it's done already. No more fun. We don't have that kind. If that's true, I'm going to go to jail. I just asked the regional director of Region 1.
Okay.
And Satrap officials. They don't have no more funds for that project. You give us funds, we'll finish this right away.
All right. Well, first of all, ito, Tagalogin na lang natin para mas makaintindi, no? Ito po tayo. Ang pinag-uusapan natin ngayon is roughly 11 kilometers, no? Of the Ganbantay San Ildefonso Bypass Road. So first of all, Satrap is the construction company that won the bid, just to clarify. And you own Satrap. You own the construction.
Yes, but a long time divest already because when I was the governor, even now, we didn't go back because we let our engineers do all the work.
All right, but at the end of the day, this is...
They can examine it. It's easy to examine not only that project, all the projects of Satrap. We are willing. If they can find any substandard, I'm willing to go to jail and manage the officials of Satrap.
Okay.
We never took advantage of any of our projects.
Okay, just a few questions. Let's start with this first. So, first, the bypass road is not finished. Hindi pa tapos hanggang ngayon, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Ilang porsyento po ang hindi tapos doon sa bypass road?
Konti na lang. Kung bigyan kami ng pondo, matatapos ka agad.
Sino ang kami? Sino ang kami? Bibigyan ang construction company po ninyo or ang probinsya?
Ang gobyerno magbibigay ng national government magbibigay. Walang pondo. Ang pondo...
So ang tanong ko, sir, ito, nakita nyo naman kung paano mag-insert ang mga congressman ng pondo para tapusin ang kanilang pet projects, no, whether ghost or real, sa kanilang distrito. Anong sinabi po ng congressman ninyo? Bakit hindi daw po natapos yung bypass road?
Tinanong ko na, 100 lang daw ang binigay.
100 milyon?
100 milyon, tinapos ka nila. Natapos na nila, kulang na ng pondo, wala nang pondo. We are all eager to do that, but walang pondo, walang pondo. Tinanong ko lang yung regional director, wala nang pondo. Bigyan nilang pondo, matapos ka agad yan. Unlike other provinces na paborito nila, malapakadaling pondo.
Alright. Ang proyektong ito, the total was roughly 727 million. Tama po, sir?
Hindi po totoo yan.
Magkano yung...
Portion by portion ang pinabidyan.
Exactly. But the total project cost was 727 million?
No. Mahaba yan. Kanya-kanya portion ng ano. Ang nakuha ng Satrap, kunti lang, may trabaho na nila. I'm willing to go to jail. All the officials of Satrap, jail them kung may kalukuhan nangyari doon.
No,
it's a diversionary tactic. Ako binubugbog dahil ako nagsasalita.
No, the reason I'm asking this is just for record purposes. How much was the project cost of the bypass road?
I don't know because I'm not there anymore. It's being done by Satrap and di ko sila pinapakialaman. Basta sinabi lang, naubos ng pondo yan, wala na kami may trabaho.
No, the reason I'm asking is based on the project cost, magkano ang allegedly hindi pa binigay para matapos ang proyekto, sir?
Hindi ko alam dahil hindi na ako nakikialam. Ang tinanong ko lang, bakit hindi natapos yan ako? Naubos na po yung pondong binigay ng gobyerno, sabi nila. They can investigate it.
Okay, so kung hindi nyo alam, then why are you speaking right now? You're not a public official anymore. So why are you...
Tanong ka mo, Satrap sa akin daw. Oh, sa amin doon, pero nag-divest na ako.
So sino ngayon? Sino ang may-ari ng Satrap? Because...
kami ang may-ari doon yan, pero nag-divest na kami lahat.
No, who is kami? Because it says, records that Satrap Construction is still part of the Louis Chavit Singson Group of Companies. Is this correct?
Yes.
Okay, so that's a fact. Ang anak niyong babae po at ang manugang niyo ang nagmamay-ari more than 50% of Satrap?
Wala sila ko, wala na.
Wala na. So sila po may-ari?
For mga diversionary tactic itong ginagawa nila.
All right, it could be diversionary, it could be, but then the point is who owns Satrap?
I founded Satrap long time ago.
Okay.
Dahil kami lang ang
but who owns Satrap today?
Today, Yung mga tao ko na, like for example, other companies, like our radio station, kung anong kikita nila sa kanila na lang.
Oo. But
Ganoon din ito, pag nawala sila ng project, sweldo ng mga tao lahat yan.
okay, so
Konti na lang ang